Secret Pillow. Some people may know it also as a Quillow. Sometimes I know Jenny has turned it into a quag, but basically what it is, it's a pillow that has a quilt hidden inside it. And you can create this out of any piece of patchwork at all. The one I have in front of me was hand quilted, and it has been made out of a pre-printed pattern. It's a 9 patch like the one that's underneath that we're going to actually work on. And then you make another, I made another block into the pillow front. And again, here comes the magic. The quilt is basically the stuffing for the cushion. So instead of having a cushion pad, you hide the quilt in it. And I like to have the back of my cushion hiding on the back of my quilt. You can see it's the same color. And here we go. This is the front of my quilt.